Hello and welcome to BSL Club. This is the place where you can learn British Sign Language and become deaf aware. Today's video is a little bit different. We're going to be practicing fingerspelling and learning the signs for the days of the week. Are you ready? Now the sign for Monday is your M hand shape, using your right hand if you're right-handed, on your left palm. Monday. Try that again. Okay, now we're going to fingerspell Monday. Okay, so M-O-N-D-A-Y. And again, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Now you try. The sign for Tuesday is your T hand shape. Tuesday. So that's easy. Let's do that again. Tuesday. Now to fingerspell Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And again. Okay, now it's your turn. The sign for Wednesday is your W hand shape. Wednesday. And again. Now to fingerspell Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. And again, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Now it's your turn. The sign for Thursday is simply TH, Thursday. And again. Now to fingerspell Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. And again. Now it's your turn. Now the sign for Friday is your F hand shape, but you rub it. So Friday. Friday. Now to fingerspell Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. And again. Okay, you know what to do. The sign for Saturday. Hold up your left hand if you're right-handed and use your right hand to rub the back of your left hand. So, Saturday. And again. Now, to fingerspell Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And again. Okay, your turn. The sign for Sunday. Sunday. So this sign comes from pray, because Sunday is the day, if you go to church, you would go to church and worship. So, Sunday. And again. So to fingerspell Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. And again. Sunday. It's your turn. Okay, so the sign for week. So with your left hand, use your pointing finger, and your right hand, go over one of your fingers, just goes along your left hand. So there, week, week. Okay, and let's practice finger spelling week. W-E-E-K, week. Should we try that again? So do you see, I could do the E quite quickly because it's the same place, isn't it? Week. Okay, your turn. The sign for weekend starts with your W hand shape. Weekend. And again, so you start with your W, let loosen, have a space between the fingers, and then bend your fingers and bring it together. Weekend. Okay? Let's finger spell that. W-E-E-K-E-N-D. And again. Okay. Now, when you are finger spelling something, for example, a name or a place, it is better, rather than to spell it out the way that I've done in this video to teach you, it is better to actually say the words using your lip patterns. So for example, if I were to sign the place York, the city of York, I would say it York. Voice off, of course, but I would say with my lips York. Okay? Or if I was to sign the name Freddie, I would sign like this. I've said the name Freddie, and then the deaf person should be able to read my lips as well as read my fingers. Okay? So that's how you would do that. Now, okay, so now it's time to test your receptive skills. So I'm going to sign one of the days of the week, not in order. And you have to watch really carefully to see what you can pick up and whether you can tell what day of the week I'm spelling. Then at home, you can use the sign that you have learned and practice that. So, for example, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to finger spell the day of the week, Monday. Now, you at home then can practice the sign. Okay? Now, let's have a go. Are you ready? And again. What was the day of the week that I signed? Have a go, see if you can practice the sign for that day of the week. Here's the next one. And again. Did you get that? Okay, here's the next one. And again. Hope you're getting it. Okay, keep watching. And again. One more. And again. Did you get it right? Fantastic, well done. Now you have learnt the days of the week in BSL, but you've also had a chance to practice your fingerspelling skills and to practice your receptive skills. Your receptive skills is your ability to understand when someone fingerspells back to you what they have fingerspelled. So keep practicing both of those. You may want to share this video with a friend. That way they can learn BSL too, and then you can practice fingerspelling and your productive skills and your receptive skills with each other. So someone can fingerspell something and then the other person can guess what they have fingerspelled. It's a really good game to play. So practice, keep playing, keep practicing, and join us again here next time for more BSL Club videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. I didn't realise, but you won't know when the next BSL video comes up if you don't click the notification bell when you subscribe. So make sure you click both buttons, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.